Welcome to Cozy Home Interior. What if your small backyard could feel bigger, cozier, and way more expensive without a massive renovation budget? In this video, you'll discover simple DIY backyard ideas that completely transform overlooked outdoor spaces into stylish personal retreats. From vertical gardens that maximize every inch, to cozy fire pit corners perfect for relaxing nights, each idea is designed to make a dramatic difference using surprisingly affordable materials. You'll also see how simple upgrades like gravel pathways, fresh grass, outdoor dining spaces, and stylish fencing can completely change the atmosphere of your backyard. Some of these transformations are easier than you'd expect, but the results look incredibly high-end. Stay until the end, because one of these ideas might completely change the way you see your own backyard space forever. There's something special about a backyard that invites people to gather, and a DIY barbecue area can instantly become the heart of that experience. Instead of a complicated build, focus on creating a simple yet functional cooking zone using a compact grill, a sturdy prep surface, and a few thoughtful touches like hooks for utensils or a small shelf for spices. Position the setup in a spot that feels open yet slightly tucked away, so it naturally becomes a cozy destination within your outdoor space. Surround it with warm seating, subtle lighting, or even a touch of greenery to soften the look and make it more inviting. The beauty of this idea lies in how it blends practicality with atmosphere, turning everyday meals into memorable moments outdoors. If you've been imagining a space where cooking and connection come together, this might be the perfect project to gently start bringing that vision to life. Nothing refreshes a backyard quite like the look of fresh grass, instantly softening the space and creating a clean, inviting foundation that ties everything together. Whether you choose natural sod or artificial turf, the transformation can be surprisingly dramatic, turning a dull or patchy surface into a vibrant green canvas. Start by clearing the area and leveling the ground to ensure a smooth, even finish that feels comfortable underfoot. As the grass settles in, it brings a sense of calm and openness, making the entire backyard feel more spacious and cohesive. This simple upgrade also enhances every other element around it, from seating areas to pathways, allowing each feature to stand out more beautifully. If you've been searching for a way to make your outdoor space feel instantly renewed, this could be the perfect moment to begin reimagining your backyard with fresh greenery. A fence does more than define boundaries, it quietly shapes the entire mood of your backyard, offering both privacy and a sense of intentional design. Instead of viewing it as a purely functional element, consider how a stylish fence can become a backdrop that enhances everything around it. Clean horizontal slats, natural wood tones, or even painted finishes can instantly elevate the space while complementing your overall aesthetic. You might incorporate small design details like integrated planters, subtle lighting, or mixed materials to add character without overwhelming the area. As the fence frames your backyard, it creates a more intimate and secure environment where every feature feels more curated and cohesive. This subtle upgrade can make even a compact space feel more refined and complete. If you're looking for a way to bring both privacy and style together, this could be the perfect step to start reimagining your outdoor setting. Transforming a small backyard into a lush, vibrant retreat doesn't require more space, it requires smarter use of the space you already have. A DIY vertical garden lets you grow plants upward, turning blank walls or fences into living art filled with greenery, texture, and life. Start with simple materials like wooden pallets, hanging pots, or wall-mounted planters, then layer in a mix of herbs, flowers, and trailing plants to create depth and visual interest. Not only does this approach save ground space, but it also makes maintenance easier and adds a refreshing natural vibe to even the most compact area. Imagine stepping outside and being greeted by a wall of green that feels both calming and inspiring. If you've been looking for a simple upgrade with big impact, this might be the perfect place to begin exploring your own backyard transformation. A gravel pathway can quietly redefine the entire feel of your backyard, guiding the eye while creating a sense of order and intention. Instead of expensive paving, this approach offers a budget-friendly way to introduce structure without sacrificing style. Begin by mapping out a natural walking route, then layer landscape fabric to prevent weeds before adding evenly spread gravel for a clean, polished finish. You can edge the pathway with bricks, wood, or stone to give it a refined look that feels thoughtfully designed. As sunlight hits the textured surface, it creates subtle contrast against surrounding greenery, instantly elevating the space. More than just practical, this pathway invites movement and exploration, making your backyard feel larger and more connected. If you're looking for an easy upgrade with lasting visual impact, consider starting with a simple gravel path and see how it transforms your outdoor space. Creating a small outdoor dining area can completely change how you use your backyard, turning it into a functional yet enjoyable place for daily meals or casual gatherings. A compact table paired with simple chairs is often enough to establish a welcoming setup, especially when placed in a spot that gets balanced light and airflow. You can enhance the experience with subtle details like table decor, cushions, or even a small centerpiece to add personality without clutter. The goal is to keep everything practical while still feeling intentional and comfortable. Over time, this space can become a natural extension of your home, where indoor comfort meets outdoor freshness. If you've been thinking about making your backyard more usable, this idea offers a gentle way to start without needing a major transformation. Adding a small fire pit can instantly bring warmth and character to your backyard, creating a natural gathering spot that feels both cozy and inviting. You don't need a large space or expensive materials. Simple concrete blocks, a metal bowl, or a DIY stone circle can work beautifully. Place it in a safe, open area and surround it with minimal seating to keep the layout balanced and uncluttered. As the fire glows softly in the evening, it adds a relaxing ambience that encourages conversation and quiet moments outdoors. This feature works especially well in small backyards because it draws attention and creates a focal point without overwhelming the space. If you've been wanting to make your outdoor area feel more alive and welcoming, this could be a simple project worth trying in your own time.